So, you want to know how to change a flat tire if you get like a pinch flat in the rock garden, or if you run over a tack or nail or some other sort of sharp object like that? Well, you're in luck, because today I can show you how to change your tube. So you've encountered a flat tire, you accidentally ran over a tack. I'm going to show you guys how to change your tube so you can get back out on the trail and get rolling. First of all, you want to take off your tire. So this one has a quick release. Some bikes like mine have a through axle. We just unscrew it and pull it out and the tire just drops right out. This one you gotta undo. Now that you got your tire out, usually it's flat, but just make sure all the pressure is released out of it. You want to remove your tack or whatever you ran over a nail. You want to get rid of it so you don't run over it again. Now, you got to take the tire off. So what's helpful is you can have a tire lever, so you can just get under the tire and just slowly work the tire off. Sometimes the beads are a little tough, so just gotta work at it. And once you get the bead off to this part, out from under the rim, you can just kind of work it off. That. Now you've got that out, you need to go get a tube so you can replace the one that has been popped. I have a tube right here. Usually what you want to do is, when they're kind of flat and flimsy like this, you want to take your air pump, put some more air into it. Not too much, just a little bit to give it shape. It's easier to put it in the tire if you put a little air in it. Get shape, whatever. Just a little bit. You can take it off. Now you gotta take this bad tube out. It's been popped by your tack you ran over or whatever. Get a pinch flat in a rock garden or something. You know, pinch your tube. It's always fun. I've had many of those happen to me. You know. So now, you gotta install your new tube into your tire. So you wanna stick the stem down into the stem hole here. Make sure you get that down in. And then you just kind of pop the tube right into your tire. Work it all the way around. Then you can start putting your tire back on. A tire lever can also come in handy here, so you can put the tube, your tire back on. I want your tube. Put the tube in already. There you go. Got it all back on. Now you just gotta pump it back up to whatever pressure you have put into your tires beforehand. Get now you can pump your tire back up. And make sure if you have, depends on what kind of stem you have. This is a Presta. There's also Schrader's, which is the short one. With the Prestas, you have to, there's this little piece right here you have to screw up all the way up, that you can then put air back into your tube. Put that on the ground. keep it up. Once you got your right amount of air into there, you want to make sure you twist down this small little valve here. So it's all the way tight so there's no air leaking out. And then install your cap back on. Then the next thing we have to do is put the tire back on your bike. And there you go. You successfully changed the tube. Now you can get back out on the trail and keep riding. And hopefully you don't have another flat. I would also recommend that anytime you go riding, you carry a small pump and an extra tube with you, just in case you do flat, because I don't think you really want to be walking out of the woods with your bike. That sucks. And now we must say goodbye to you, and until next time, guys, bye!